travel, as we all know, is multifaceted and multi-step.
It's very important to implement AI solutions that are fully compliant with immigration laws and regulations.
If you use AI and all these benefits and you watch all your patterns or you streamline and work towards the customer or your employees, then you can also have the opportunity of cost savings.
AI has a really great place that it can step into there, where it can not do these magical, wonderful things that people perceive that AI does, but just do the simple things really quickly and really well.
At Deel's Global Mobility Summit, we engage with experts from Deloitte, Fragomen, Klarna and Deel, gathering exclusive insights on leveraging AI to streamline corporate mobility.
Hi everyone, my name is Ali Heather. I'm a director at Fragomen, based out of Dubai.
My name is Svetlana Hauser and I'm the Immigration Director at Deloitte's UK Immigration Practice in London.
I'm Laura from Klarna and I'm based in Berlin and globally in charge for immigration at Klarna and mobility topics.
I'm Tom, I'm the product lead at Deel. My amazing team builds the product that I hope all of you are using or one day will be using for your immigration needs with Deel.
What are the prevalent issues experienced in mobility and immigration? And what kinds of solutions are businesses and their workers seeking to address them?
I think there's a real gap and a pain point there for understanding where I'm at. The process of mobility and potentially moving myself and maybe my entire family to the other side of the world is an incredibly stressful thing. And if there's nobody telling me what to do or where I'm at, that can be really painful.
Looking at some of the government authorities, many of them have their own databases and sources of truth. They may not always be in sync, and that unfortunately leads to compliance exposure for some companies when they're updating records with one ministry and the other one isn't updated, as an example, right? So more seamless, streamlined government communication would definitely be an aspiration. And I think universal accessibility is one. There's definitely a want for having a consolidated tech underpinned solution or solutions that manage the entire travel journey, right? Travel, as we all know, is multifaceted and multi-step. And there is a need for that consolidated journey. There is a need right now on a bridge between compliance, experience, and speed.
So how do we envision technology and the application of AI to help?
AI in the space of mobility has the potential to address all of these things, right? Whether it's, the aspirations of, a seamless, fully automated mobility experience from end to end, whether it's, the integration of AI in government processes such as border control.
These solutions should be built with robust algorithms that can accurately analyze and understand immigration data, that can identify potential risks of non-compliance issues, and also provide some insights for decision making.
We get asked, is X person okay from an immigration perspective? They would be a perfect fit for our company, but do they have any potential immigration red flags that we need to be mindful of, right? Those are kind of areas where we could use technology, obviously, to, whether it's based on specific risk factors or whether it's based on things like bio, prior travel history, to actually predict how likely someone's immigration application might run into issues, right?
So definitely making the data easy accessible for our employees to make sure they understand our processes and our values there and what we do. But also, like, in terms of us from mobility side, like, we can easily predict, like Ali said already, like costs or like patterns, easily can understand and also grab on those things and follow better routines or identify issues.
But what AI solutions are available in the mobility space? Allow me to present Deel, an all-in-one global platform that leverages cutting-edge AI technology to simplify processes such as immigration, international hiring, payroll management, and more.
People are extremely fearful, if you're not in it, of the world of mobility. What can I do? Where can I go? What do I need to do that? And as a product and as a provider, we're trying really hard to make sure that we can make mobility really accessible and make that knowledge really easy to understand. Collecting documentation for a lot of petitions in the US, for example, we need to understand your press coverage. What awards have you won, for example? This is all publicly available information. We don't need a specialist to be going and trawling through LinkedIn to get that. We don't need an applicant to have to fill out a long form. we can use AI to just go and grab that publicly available information and do the storytelling on your behalf. We're using AI to write these basic kind of summaries and letters and descriptions about our people. We're using AI to collect that information. We're using AI to review documents so that our specialists have more time to support the people who are actually going through this process. I would love to see a world where all of these tasks, this information intake, is all automated using AI, and our specialists are really empowered to support people. It should be a space where people can have access to that human being that we're always going to want to have those difficult conversations. And that's something that we're really pushing hard to do at Deel. We're trying to take all of these tasks that specialists are doing and we're trying to automate them.